What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV, which part we go talk the truth and we go speak it just as it is. Welcome, guys. Welcome back. How you feel? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you don't feel no pain. If you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Call the doctor. Go to the doctor or make the doctor come at your home if you have the money. But if you don't have no money, don't worry yourself. We'll go call your auntie, your sister, your brother, your cousin. In-laws, everybody we go call. Somebody go help. Can you go to the doctor? Guys, wellness check. Remember if you're doing wellness check, check on your friends, family, and enemies. Make sure them alright, make sure them in one good piece. So that means we can work on their mental health. Because mental health is not a joke. Guys, I want a birthday today. Happy birthday to each and every one of you. Guys, I want to cook. I want to cook. Give me some, man. Share the food with me or share it with somebody else. Anybody, share the food. Guys, this morning is a very sad morning, a very bad morning, and a very disgruntled morning for me because right now me bitter. Right now me mad, me upset, me everything that's bad because of what I saw yesterday and what I been gathering in my brain. Guys, when I listen and I hear RumRam and I see, and for some reason I didn't take it down. When RumRam say he glad he have the pictures, I don't know why it pass over my brain. I gotta be honest with all of you. For some reason, because I don't watch RumRam videos, I do not watch him. Let me say this, I do not watch him. I just don't. I am not giving him my time. Even though people may think watching their videos will help my videos. No, I do not watch people's video to make video. No, I don't do it. I make video of what I make video of. But guys, I have to say this today. I don't know if you remember when RumRam was there was a live and RumRam right under the live about him glad he have the pictures. And I think he said it in some clips that I saw. I don't know where I don't know. But just imagine RumRam was looking Alicia Kim right after Mackie and her divorce. And because RumRam never get to have dialogues or Alicia Kim never did send him no DM, answer him DM, he get very upset and start to beat Alicia Kim left, right, and center. Just imagine those pictures that Mackie have on his phone. Just imagine they're in the hands of RumRam because he said that he have the pictures. He said it. He said it that he have the pictures. Just imagine he have those pictures looking at. Now you all see why this is a very serious situation. Now you all see how serious this is. Blackmail at its best. Blackmail is illegal. Blackmail is a criminal offense. You can go to prison for years and days and weeks and months. Some viewers and subscribers, we're going to do things. We're going to make these things work. Mackie have crossed the line. RumRam have crossed the line. Vibes Studio have crossed the line. Jackie have crossed the line. I was passing the other night, last night, and I saw the one where you call her Vibes with Rosa, Pana Live, and she was excited. Vibes with Rosa was excited about what Mackie said about the pictures. A woman is excited about a man saying he have pictures of a woman and is willing to show it and is willing to send it to people. A woman is excited. A woman is very much excited to know that a man have pictures, videos of a woman, private part, a woman who confided in that individual and send that individual pictures or whatsoever. Hold on a little bit. Let me go back a little bit. A woman who confiding in a man who was her husband, who secretly videotape her in the house in compromising situation. Him say she send him videos, pictures. If she send you pictures, that's in your and her private areas. Listen to me good, my viewers and subscribers. We are human beings. I am a man. Can I say people send me pictures? Or can I say I send people's pictures? I don't know. However, if I send people picture, if people send me a picture, that's for me and that person. If I have a phone and I'm going to change phone, I'm going to move the pictures over if I'm carrying them. If I'm not carrying them, I'm going to delete the pictures. I'm going to get rid of the pictures. Normally, a man is going to carry those pictures with him because of memories. You know what I hear what me I say? Because of memories. Now you have those pictures from 2018. Listen good. You said Alicia Kim sent your pictures when she was in Jamaica. Yeah? She sent your picture. That's 2018. Now it's 2026. So 2018, 2019, 2020, 2020, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have those pictures in your phone for 8 years. Eight here. Are you want me to say 8 years? 8 years you have those pictures in your phone. What were you doing with those pictures in your phone? And the videos that you video down at your sister house where you put up the camera. What were you doing with those pictures? Huh? Tell me what were you doing with those pictures? Whatever you was doing with those pictures was fun to you. Also, you was keeping those pictures to do what? Exactly what you're doing now, because you know you plan, just as what RumRam said in his video, that you planned out everything. Mackie, you plan everything, that if Alicia Kim left you, just like what you do to all the other women, all the other ladies, you're going to have ammunition against her. Now, the ammunition that you have, you share it with RumRam. You share it with RumRam and you share it with other people, because remember, I was making videos saying that you have these pictures and you have them in your phone because of what people call me and tell me, because a man in Fort Lauderdale who see them pictures call me and tell me that you have them. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I've get a lot of messages. People said to me, Rodney, we got to do this, we got to do that, we got to do something. I will inform you about what we what I'm doing, what's going on. I'm making videos. I am talking to each and every one of you out there. And to this lady who come out and said in about Alicia Kim not telling me thanks, and Alicia Kim not bigging me up in videos, and Alicia Kim not doing this in videos because and I am doing this. Let me reiterate. Sometimes you don't call the word right, when me in a certain kind of mood. Let me say this to you and to all the other people who are saying the same thing. I didn't do what I'm doing for clout or for likes. No, I did not do it for any clouts or any like. And I did not do it for Alicia Kim to take up her phone and call me and me and her a buddy talk. No, I didn't do it for that. I have never talked to Alicia Kim. However, Alicia Kim big me up. Alicia Kim said thanks a million times. Alicia Kim was on my live on my birthday. Alicia Kim sent me money for my birthday on the live. You all see it. Alicia Kim have, without she even saying a word to me or even saying anything on my videos, I appreciate her. For her to say anything about me or to me, I thank her very much for doing that. I respect her. I love her. I care about her like a father. Alicia Kim is 2 years older than my son. 2 years older than my son. So, people, when you're going to make comments, I'm asking, please. This is a very bad time for a young lady. Make good comments. I respect all of your comments, and I'll answer all of your comments, or I'll like it and thumbs it up. Not every comment I can answer right now, because I'm very, very emotional about this situation. Her brand is her livelihood. Losing her brand deals and all those things, she'll lose everything. And I'm telling you, guys, we cannot afford for Alicia Kim to lose everything. Because if she lose everything, she have a young baby. She cannot afford to lose everything. She cannot afford to lose nothing. So, guys, I'm not telling you not to comment. You can comment anything you want to comment, but don't comment saying that Alicia Kim don't say nothing to me, because she did. She said it a lot of time. Even when she's on her live and I go on her live, she said to me the other day, I want me to do them, Rodney. Wagwan, Rodney. Wagwan. So she always show all of us foot soldiers. And she even go and say, she don't even know them people. Because she don't know me. She don't know the scope. She don't know Juliet. She don't know Talk Up. But she let us know that she appreciate us. She let us know that I see you, I'm watching your video. She let us know that she appreciate us. She said thank you all. She said everything. So guys, stop put gasoline on fire and try to make up stories when it no go so. It no work. And the most of all, you know what I don't like? When I say women, when I say women beating down women, it's sad. It really break me heart. Me as a man out here fighting for women, and you as a woman out here beating down women. Listen, think about it. What if somebody take your picture of your compromising moment and send it to other people who don't like you? I RumRam have the pictures. Yeah, RumRam have them. God knows who else have them. Because RumRam said he have them. And if RumRam have them, I'm telling you other people have them. Just to realize RumRam have those nude pictures. By the way, hold on. So RumRam is a married man, yeah? And RumRam, where RumRam wife? RumRam wife, where you there? Your husband is walking around with nude picture of another woman that he was looking in his phone, and that's okay with you? That's okay with you? That's RumRam is walking around with nude picture in his phone or wherever he have it, and that's okay with you? My viewers and subscribers, it's just RumRam and Mackie planning, setting up and fixing up and doing whatsoever they want to do with Alicia Kim livelihood, because none of the two can able to have Alicia Kim in their life. A married man, RumRam, who is married, cannot get to have Alicia Kim in his life. May I say her? My name know him, which one? Cannot afford to have Alicia Kim in his life, even though he's a married man. And because of that, he's helping the ex-husband of Alicia Kim to bring down Alicia Kim. What on earth can go like that? What on earth can go like that? So, guys, Mackie and RumRam is joining together to use these nude picture to get Alicia Kim down. However, my viewers and subscribers, and listen to me. My apology for not answering the phone sometimes. My apologies for not be faster on some of these texts, because when I make these videos, listen, when I make these videos and I post them, sometimes I'm gone. And by the time I reach to the phone, I may be a couple minutes, couple hours, maybe a day or two late. So right now I'm setting back to get up to date and everything really fast and quick. Right now I have to take some time to get this thing done. So who is on board? Let's go. Let's ready. Get ready. I mean, to get something done. I see no text, I see no message, and I will answer them, and I will thumbs them up, and I will like them. And guys, my phone number is out there. What you want us to do or start, let's do it. And hold on, before I go any further, let me just say this little part to Chris. Chris, I respect what you are doing for your sister, and I respect what you're doing for your family. However, Chris, what I need you to do is I need you to make videos, but I need you to keep information about what you're doing to yourself. Please, I'm begging you, because making videos, putting out what you're doing is just motivating these people to do more, to work faster, and to do things that you may not like. You will not like. We all will not like. So what I'm saying to you, Chris, is the video I see you make the other day showing the paper about what authority has sent you, in my opinion, that was very not. I'm not saying, I don't know what word to use, so I won't use the word. I will just use the simple logic. You shouldn't have done that. Anything else you're planning on doing, do it in silence. Don't let Drunkertown or these people call you out and say that you're lying, and then you come out and say what you have. That's what, when you do that, you lose power. You lose power. So don't don't make no video telling them what you're doing. Just make videos. Whatsoever you want to make and say in your video, it's up to you still. You can do whatever you want. But what I'm saying is, make the video. You do not have to tell them what you're doing. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, pray for Alicia Kim, pray for the family, and just hope and pray that something can be done real fast, quick and fast about the situation. Because this if you don't realize how me attack me, the things that I want to say, I can't even say it because of how me feel. But let's work together. And the big up crew, let's do this. I'm out. Bye bye until when I see you again.